Kate here with WTI, and if you haven't experienced the power of steam, you have to. This is a steam cleaner from Torder, and it will be such an amazing addition to your cleaning routine. Now, my favorite part about the steamer is that it doubles as both a floor cleaner and a handheld steamer. The floor cleaner has to be my favorite function. It stands upright on its own, which is awesome. It comes with 2 cleaning pads. You put those on. You load up your water, and within seconds, I'm serious, like just a few seconds, and you already have steam coming out. It has 3 different levels, and then you can turn on the rotating pads. So this will self-propel, it rotates, it scrubs your floors for you. And on top of that, you have the power of steam. You're not using any harsh cleaners, and it really gets the dirt off the floor. I'm such a fan of the floor cleaner. Now, in addition to that, you can take off the wand, and it comes with all kinds of different attachments. So this makes it great for cleaning grout, for cleaning your windows even, or any hard to reach place, anywhere that you want to really blast with some steam. You can find the right accessory that will fit your needs. The water reservoir lasts me probably about 20 minutes or so. It has an extremely long cord, so you can reach a nice wide distance. And of course, it's this really pretty blue and white, which I think is just adorable. So altogether, this is really awesome to clean with. I think you'll be very pleased, and that's my point of view.